Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to Winner's Weapon. This is yours Lamata. Now we are going to know about a great concept called work from home. Nowadays, you know the importance of the same. For people like trainers, private teachers, and such kind of those who are having such kind of jobs, this work from home concept, work from home job are very essential, especially in this corona era. Yes, without wasting time, we go and grab the opportunity. How? Open your laptop or desktop, go to google.com. There you can search for National Career Services. After that, there is National Career Services, a home page you can find. Yes, this is the National Career Services web portal. It's 100% Indian government's. There is no fraud at all. You can find this display also. Notice against the fraud in the name of NCS. Please be advised that the website, there is one website, employment.co.in. Of course, it's a fake website, and you should beware of that. So there is the display is going on now, like that. It's a 100% Indian government's website. So you need not to worry. You can give your full details, biodata, PAN, Aadhaar, especially anything, whatever they asked. Okay, there are many number of opportunities. All the states from India, all the states, any states, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Karnataka, even many Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh itself has 10,178 vacancies are there. So to know more about this, first you get registered in this website, new user, sign up, and there you can find there are many roles here. One is job seeker, employer. If you want to give an opportunity, and you can post your job profile here, being an employer, local services, household user, skill provider. There are some NGOs or some training centers, skill centers. They can also have the they can also provide the opportunities over here. Placement organizations, government department. There are many departments. So, but we people being a job seeker, and we can choose job seeker, and there you can find you have to fill all these. Register as job seeker, your first name, middle name, last name, or you can write full name of yourself itself. Now you can give your either PAN card or Aadhaar card or any other driving license also. Anything you can give here, no problem. Deliberately you can give. That means without fear you can give. Without fear you can give your details here, because it's a pure Indian government website. UID, yeah, you can type your PAN card number, whichever the identity card you have given here, mentioned here, and you have to write the number here, over here, your date of birth, all the details you should fill, your phone number, your password, everything, and afterwards your security code you have to fill, and I agree and submit. Then you will have OTP to your registered mobile number. That OTP you should enter here. Then whenever you enter, almost your registration half done. And then he asked one more OTP that will send to a registered email ID. So it may take some time. So you be patient. Then after completion of that, you can enter your OTP, then click here to proceed. Your OTP has been verified. Okay, then you can have your whatever it is, your ID card, and you can add your photo and many things you can do. And finally, after registration, we'll go back to NCS website. There you can find many jobs like this, work from home, or you can click over here, or you can click on work from home. This is work from home. Or you can, if you click work from home, so there are many opportunities. You can enter your key skills accordingly. You can find, for example, data entry, any typing work, data entry, or any typing work. You just substitute all over India. You need not, if you want to consider all over India, you need not to go for any state, or you need not to give for any address over here. See, for all India location, do not select anything. For example, if you want to choose a particular region, you can choose that region itself, your district, your state, etc. There you can find, see, for example, if I enter data entry, how many data entry jobs are over here, how many data entry jobs are here, and you can use these filters also accordingly, according to your education. Direct job, these are WordPress developer. If you have internet experience, how to do websites, etc., you can choose this. You go back to website. If you click on Andhra Pradesh, how many number of jobs are here, and you can find all the jobs. You can add your keyword, for example, data entry, or accounts, or etc. Anything account, so data entry, anything, or training and development also you can add. Computer operator, bank office, see how many number of jobs are here, data entry, back office, so many number of jobs. Thank you so much, friends. This is yours, Srinivas Rao Lamata. Please subscribe our channel, Winner's Weapon. Thank you so much once again.